Okay, this is long overdue. City Rockhound sent me this package, and I think I've had it for 2.5 to 3 weeks because I don't know how to pronounce any of the things that might be in it. But he was nice enough to send a photograph or something I had made into a photograph so that hopefully we can figure this out. But I wanted to show how the box arrived. I don't know if anything is missing, but let's keep our fingers crossed that it's all there. And let's rip into this sucker. I've got my brother here with me and my mom to try to help me.
And your dog.
Oh, and my dog. Please do not judge us. He's actually up on the table because if you open a package in this house, he's got to be in the middle of it. I don't know why. He's just so
He thinks it's a toy.
curious. Well, and he brings in the mail and all of our packages that get left on our front porch. He likes to drag them in. And so he thinks that he's part of this.
He tried to drag that in.
Yeah, it was too heavy for him because he's just a little Shih Tzu. But let's see if we can get some of this out without breaking anything.
The table.
Oh my goodness. There's some, a pudding, is that a pudding stone? Awesome. We don't have things like that in New Mexico. Oh, how cool. We'll just keep this to put and I'll go through every one of these little other pieces of paper, make sure that nothing's in there when we're done. But, oh, cool. So, got a huge, look at the size of this. Huge pudding stone. They call it pudding stone. It has different colors inside the rock. Oh, this is so exciting. I guess I could have had this opened and organized first, but then it's just not as much fun.
Not as exciting. And the longer you wait, the longer to open it.
Yeah, I looked at it every day and said, I gotta wait till my brother's here because I'm gonna mutilate the names of everything, which he doesn't know the names either. This is all new to us.
And it's your birthday.
Oh, and it's my birthday, so.
What is that?
Oh, it looks like some sort of coral. Let's see. Now, some of these may be polished. I wonder if it's this.
No, that's the teeth of an animal.
No.
No. It looks like teeth of a...
It does, doesn't it?
It looks like the teeth.
Let me bring it up here in front of the camera. I'm thinking that like if it was cut solid, it might be this one, Stringopora. I'm sorry, Syringopora. My eyes. I don't know. That is so cool. And don't worry, I will not cut any of these without looking them up to make sure that they can be cut and polished. I would never do that. I have the few fossils that I've found around our house, I have in the backyard, and they're sitting on our water fountains and outside. Look at this.
What would that be?
Isn't that awesome? What do you think, Shane?
Where's the fossil?
Right here.
Looks like almost like the back end of a shrimp.
Doesn't it?
Let's see.
Okay, we may not be able to identify all these, but doesn't mean that we don't appreciate them.
Oh, we love them.
They're so cool. That one's kind of like that other one. Just smaller. It's got that same kind of ripples.
Bumpy, rippled.
Bumpy
Yeah.
ripples.
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably that one. Trilobite?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know that this is a fossil. I think this is just a really cool kind of a rock. Look at the striping on it.
What's on the back of it there?
I don't know. It looks kind of like river has run over it or something to make little
Unless
indentions.
That's the imprint of a lizard or something.
Oh.
So it could be the imprint of a lizard. Or something along
Something
those
like
lines.
that?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Little toe marks.
I'll try to get
Oh,
a few of these up in front of the camera. And my brother's probably thinking, oh, how would I get pulled into? This is going to take all day. But we'll just look at some. Oh, is this a horn coil? Horn coral. That came out wrong. Is that what that is? Oh, they don't have a horn coral on there, but. Oh, horn coral. Rugosa. Okay. Let's see. Rugosa, sorry. My brother's the brains in the family, we can tell.
Older and wiser.
Yeah. There's 10 years between us. So, and just the two of us. Oh, look at this. How cool.
What is this?
I think this is probably another one of
It's got a
those
little-
trilobite type things. Or similar. It's
What
kinda
will
like
these
this.
look like when they're cut? When this is cut, will it be look different? How will it look?
well, I'll have to see if it's one that can be cut.
Oh,
Oh, look
okay.
at this one. It's another one of those corals, horn corals, and it's long.
And this looks crinoid.
And Cosmo fell asleep on the table. But he had to be part
Oh
of it.
yeah, that's cute. That has some. I like that. It wraps.
Look at this. You
this
can
wraps-
see
Did you notice it
Yeah.
wraps?
the
around?
shiny spots of crystal. I don't know if the camera's catching it or not. That kind of looks like a snapping turtle looking at you right there.
That look. I bet that's going to turn out a green color. Will it? You think? Or
I don't know. I'm not quite sure.
It'll be interesting to see what those look
Oh, they're
like.
just so
if
cool.
you can cut them.
That's a hard one.
So cool. And if not, they just become part of our beauty outside around all of our plants and everything.
Cystophiloides? That's a tough one.
Oh, what?
Cystophiloides.
Which one?
I think that's what it is.
Oh, okay. That one. I think you're
Yeah.
right. Oh, it's a horn coral. Yeah.
Okay.
Different types of horn coral.
Oh, there's an easy word underneath.
I didn't notice that till just
I
now.
don't have my glasses on.
Oh, by golly, there is. If you can't
take
see
my
it, I'll,
son.
If you
I'll
can't see it.
translate.
I'll take my scientific hat off. Mom, you've got glasses. You can
I can
read.
see the word underneath it.
Okay, you're
You're the only
you're the
one.
expert now.
Okay.
Okay, how old are
you
you,
point
Mom?
to the
And you
picture.
have better eyes than us. You're the only one that can see the words.
I'm 87.
Isn't that crazy? Okay. Look
Yeah.
at this. Check this out. How crazy. You can see the fossils
Yeah.
in the.
Point to it and I can
Oh,
tell you
cool.
what the name of it is.
Oh my goodness. This one has little sparkles all over it. Oh, okay. Hold on. Come into focus.
You need
Oh,
to
my
watch this a little
goodness.
bit to be able to tell total.
The sparkles aren't showing on the screen, but you can see them with your eyes. There's little sparkles that gleam all over the place. See all the little sparkles in it? Oh, look at this.
A lot of sparkles.
Oh my goodness. How cool is that?
Favicite? What's that one underneath?
That's a
Oh, wow.
Can you see all the
a
sparkles?
honeycomb coral.
Yeah. It's got a lot of.
The Charleville honeycomb
Kelly said
coral.
lots of sparkles.
That's
in
a
it.
honeycomb.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Isn't that
That's
cool?
Yeah, that's a try to fossil,
Oh my
that
goodness,
is
you
cool.
just sent so many, Nick. This is so awesome. And
this right
shout
here.
out to all the kids,
Hey.
City Rockhounding,
Chain
and Nick and his wife
Chain
Jess,
coral.
and Jameson and Lily. Thank you guys. This is so
Yeah.
awesome.
Kelly, this is that.
Oh, okay.
Chain.
Helicite,
The chain.
the chain coral. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I feel bad because I only sent a few things. This is so incredible.
So are these from the lake itself, like along the edges, or do you have
They
any idea
they
what
kind of live in the country,
Okay.
and there's rivers, and there's a railroad track that they find a lot of things on.
or were they dug for the
I
railroad?
Isn't that awesome?
I wouldn't know when I looked at it if it was a,
Oh, cool.
you know, I'm not that.
And this one,
Which
I think I
kind?
already picked this one up, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Oh, isn't that just
I don't know
so
on that one.
cool?
I'm not sure what it is.
I think I'm gonna leave these just like this. These are just too cool to do anything with.
Colony.
I'd hate to mess anything up.
Colony. If that's what
Oh,
that is. I don't
beautiful.
know.
Oh, and another one of these. Oh my goodness.
Also,
Oh, that's so cool. Get this little thing open here.
Let's see what it is.
that's that
Oh, it's one of these
Okay,
here,
we're gonna turn
and,
this real quick and
gonorrhea.
take a look.
Yeah.
Yes, our dog is on our kitchen table, but we will wash the kitchen table. But he had to be part of this opening, didn't you, Cosmo? Had to be part of it.
And he's living up to his name, Cosmo
Problems.
Aren't you?
Say that was my box. Another one of those pudding stones. See if we can get, oops, there was one more thing. Oh, no, that you got it. Yeah, you got the right one.
What is this called? A pudding.
Pudding stone.
It looks like a stew stone. Like there's a lot of stew.
Isn't that
pieces of
cool?
Stew, like
A
pudding.
stew, a mixture.
Yeah, a
of
mixture of-
everything, all the
My name.
vegetables.
Yeah. Carrots and beets.
How cool. Oh my goodness. Why did you
Exciting.
send so much? This is so awesome.
Same kind of thing as things like that often.
It's like Christmas.
Well, it's my birthday, but that's not why you sent it, but this is pretty cool.
Cosmo sees you opening that. Oh boy, a new package.
New package,
Oh, I-
gotta get over here in the middle. And I have not brushed him. He goes to the groomer this week, so poor little guy's been neglected. Look at that. Isn't that cool, Cosmo?
Okay, what kind? Let's see what
I
kind.
don't know, but it's got on top. It's got like some roughness, and here's another one of these. This is cool.
See a little bug there.
Yeah.
The wings, I think. Or a leaf. I'm not sure which. I don't have my glasses.
And this one has a lot of the little
Like, what is that? One like
honeycomb.
this or
honeycomb type things.
Safe side.
One or the other, yeah, it looks
this? One
like.
of these, yeah.
Cosmo, you're just going to
I
stand
did
right
you-
there, aren't you?
That looks
Oh, he's
like it would
finally
be
sitting
gorgeous
down.
in the inside. Yes, it's a rock. Yes. Ooh, that's gonna. I bet that would be.
Isn't
beautiful.
that
A
cool?
lot of pink in it.
Is it like this one here?
Oh, so awesome.
I don't know enough about this stuff. It's not my
Yeah, it's not, this is not our, we very rarely find any fossils here in our backyard.
So we're not
It's too
familiar
dangerous
in-
in Albuquerque to go looking out on the West Mesa or anything. Well, unless you're,
rattlesnake bit.
yeah, yeah. Okay, we won't get into Albuquerque and its crime statistics. But yeah, it's kind of a place that you don't want to. And I live right next to the Rio Grande. How far are we from the Rio Grande right here? Less than half a mile.
Quarter mile.
Yeah, 3/8 of a mile.
And you just can't even go walk along it hardly. Well, unless you're stupid, but we won't go there.
It's got some pretty pinks.
Oh, look at
What
this.
is that? Which one's that?
Oh, just
Which one?
they're all so awesome.
don't
I don't know what they
I don't
are.
know.
We're almost done because my brother has to go soon. I don't want his whole visit to be this, but this was
Go for his Father's Day.
it's Father's Day. So let's see. That
Oh, Kelly, that one is
That's
neat.
so cool.
That you got that little. What is it like?
Colors.
What?
Almost looks like a seashell.
yeah.
Well, here is it. One of these?
Oh, check this
that's a
out.
marine. What does it say? Fossilized marine animal. Would it be sort of a? I don't know.
Wow.
Yeah, we're all new. That
We all
almost
look
looks
at
like
different rocks
some
at the same
sort of
time.
agate or something. Wow, I don't
Is
know
that a?
if this is a fossil or if this is some sort of a agate, something agatized or something. It has, you know, if it were wet, I probably should be getting some of these wet and we would know better.
Let me get a wet rag. We can wipe them off.
Everything's just so awesome. Look at the pink in this. Look at that.
That's, and Primo.
Oh, look at the. These look like they're agates.
Here, hand me one of them.
Here, let me.
Yeah, there's fossilized stuff you can see.
Oh yeah, there's fossilized stuff on that one.
Bird or something. I don't know.
See.
Who knows? I'm not an expert, but.
Oh, what a difference it makes. So which one, Jane?
Try
Let's
this one
see
with the
that.
pink.
Look at these.
Now this looks
Just
like it's
fascinating.
the same as that, Kelly. It's got all that pink in it.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at how bright that turned out.
It's
Is there anything else you want to see? me
Pretty
put down with the
colors.
wet wash
cool,
cloth?
cool lines in there.
We're getting toward the end here. I just can't believe you sent so much. This is so
Look how bright that one's going to be.
incredible. Oh, this looks like petrified wood. I don't know that it is, but right through there it does. It's got that churty feeling of that waxy kind of texture.
Did I wipe that off?
But
Fine.
I'm probably wrong. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, look at this. This has got to be an agate.
Look at that one.
Yeah, it's pretty. Very
That'd make
southwestern
beautiful bowl.
colors, yeah.
Wouldn't that make a gorgeous bowl?
Yeah, it would.
Yes.
I mean, it has traits like it's agate, but
This is.
I just don't know how to
Look at those
identify
colors,
this
those
stuff.
deep colors.
look at that.
That striation running through there.
Yeah.
Put that one over there. No, unpack that.
Oh, next it.
It's
Sorry.
got that black and those colors in it. Yeah, that one.
Oh, the pudding
What
stone?
it looks like. Oh, you know what it is. I didn't know what it was.
Totally
Just
different.
did it bring the colors out?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. So it'll, oh yeah. Look at that. Just beautiful.
Pinks are pretty.
And now I
Is
can
this
see
green?
something.
Is that a green color, Shane?
That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the picture, kind of. From
And this one.
Yeah.
You got to
Boy,
sniff it?
really looks like that.
He's our little inspector. He got to sniff everything. Oh, look at how cool that turned out when it was wet. Awesome. Wow.
I bet you that big rock is gorgeous.
Look at that.
That side of that great big one there.
Some
Oh, look
pretty
at that. I bet
colors.
that. Isn't that pretty?
Oh, I wish I had a way to tumble that just like that. That's so cool.
Isn't that beautiful?
So
Beautiful.
there's different kinds of colored jaspers in it. Oh, just beautiful. There's a quartzy looking part.
Green.
Oh, you
Look
can
at
see it.
that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, Nick, I just don't even know how to say thank you. This is so amazing. Oh, now you can really see this. Since Mom wet it, let's see if I can get it to focus on it.
This looks like a leopard, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like
So
a
cool.
giraffe.
Yeah,
It
it
looks
does.
like a giraffe
I didn't
skin.
even see that one. Where was that?
It was
Isn't that
yeah,
cool?
you saw it. It was that first one. It was that little one. And they look so neat when they're
It's called a what coral?
Melisites?
What kind of coral?
Chain?
Chain coral. Oh, isn't that cool? Well,
He says
I can't believe all
Cosmo's
this.
looking at him. He says, nothing to eat there. It's not to eat, honey. Those are rocks. Yeah. You're
Look at this.
disappointed, huh? Very disappointed.
Thank you so much. We've had so much fun opening this, and you really shouldn't have sent so much, but we appreciate it so much.
That's great. They're
It's-
beautiful.
they're just beautiful. Thank you so much, and thank you for sending me the identifier so that I would know what everything is. And we will go out with Cosmo saying goodbye. Bye, Cosmo.